Hello, we will continue. Sorry. I forgot that I had an alarm set, and alarms, for some reason, think that they are more important than a recording. All right, we are continuing with RAM chip testing. Why is this one not? Oh, I'm not lined up. Okay, we're lined up. We're in. And it is good. It is good. So that's 4. Huh. You know, if we end up with a whole lot of good RAM chips, first of all, that's good. But also it may mean that there is some other weird thing that needs attention in this pet. Alright. 5th chip in. And we're okay. We're okay. As I was saying, I don't like turning the machine on and off this much. But there's no reset switch. 6th RAM chip. Alright. Okay, we're good. We are good. Good. We're almost halfway home. We're lined up. Gentle pressure. And we're good. So that's chip number 7. That is not lined up properly. That is lined up properly. Halfway home. And we're okay. Alright. A good sign indeed. Alright. Nope. Yep. Hello. This one. It looks like it's okay, but it doesn't want to go in. What's going on here? Check the pins again. Check the witness mark. We're lined up. We're in. And we're good. All right. Round chip number 10. That one went nicely. And we're good. Okay. We're good. There really is no faster way to do this. You sure get pretty much accurate results. What do we have? Another good one. It's a miracle. Okay. Let's see here. What's going on? Going deep. Okay. Well, this is good. We'll see about if these all come up as good, then we may have something really strange wrong with this machine. Maybe. Possibly. Alright. In we go. We're all good. All good. In the neighborhood. Just 3 more. The other thing, of course, we could have a bad socket. We could. All good. In the neighborhood. All right. Down to the last 2. Okay, what do we got? Yep. We're all fine. We are. The last RAM chip. Okay, we're not lined up. We are lined up. We're good. What do we find? It's good too. Alright, well that's good. But it's becoming more mysterious as to what is wrong with this old pet. Alright, put the original chip back. Oh, get in there. The original chip can go back in. Turn it on. We're still good. We're still fine. Interesting. Baffling, but interesting. So in front of me here is the 6502, the 6520, the other 6520, get up from the other 6522, and what I think is the character ROM chip. I think maybe just one more time. Oh, I don't think you can see this. There we are. Are we there? There we are. I'm gonna pop this sucker out. And compare. Indeed, these are the same. Get them lined up well. just give that another try. And it's just dandy. Well, this is baffling. I mean, it's always good news when RAM chips are good. But I am kind of baffled. Because I don't think I found anything bad as of yet. So it could be a support chip. I guess the thing to do at some point is get put another board into that other machine and make sure that it comes up and is happy. With another board. But anyway, it's early in the morning. I'm not doing that now. So that's it for now. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.